Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Forgot your Samsung phone password, PIN or pattern? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to walk you through how to reset and unlock any Samsung phone step by step. But heads up, this method will erase all data on your device. If you haven't backed up your phone, your data will be lost. Part 1. Factory Reset via Recovery Mode. This method only requires you to have your Samsung phone in hand. No computer or data cable is needed. In the first step, you need to press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time until the device turns off the black screen. As soon as the screen goes black, quickly switch to holding the power and volume up buttons. Keep holding until you enter the Android recovery menu. The device reset operation can now be performed. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data/factory reset, then press the power button to confirm. Choose factory data reset again and confirm. Now select wipe cache partition and choose yes. Keep in mind, this will erase everything on your phone, and after the phone reboots, the system will ask you to enter the tied Google account and password. If you don't remember your Google account information, this phone may be locked. Wait for the data wipe to complete and select Reboot System now to restart your phone. After the reboot, it'll be like setting up a brand new phone. During setup, if you're asked to enter a password, just log in with your Google account. Once signed in, you'll have full access to your Samsung device again. Part 2. Forgot Google account. What if you don't remember your Google account or password? There's still a solution for UK for Android. It helps you easily bypass the Google lock on your Samsung phone. You can find the download link right in the video description below. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer. Launch For UK for Android and select Remove Google Lock. There are multiple methods to remove Google locks, and here you can prioritize trying new methods. Click Remove now to start Google lock removal. Your device may restart several times during the process. Once the lock is removed, you'll be able to set up your phone again. When you see the Google sign-in screen, tap Skip. Just like that, the Google lock is bypassed. Finish the setup process, and you're ready to use your Samsung phone. Note: Google Lock is designed to protect the security of your device, so do not bypass Google Lock on someone else's device, as this will violate local laws. And that's how you unlock your Samsung phone if you've forgotten the password, PIN or pattern. We hope this video helps you out. Got other Samsung phone issues? Leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.